In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a formula in Google Sheets, an essential skill for anyone who works with spreadsheets and needs to protect their data integrity. If you're tired of having your formulas tampered with or accidentally changed, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open Google Sheets and access the spreadsheet that contains the formula you want to lock. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets in your web browser and opening your desired file from your list of existing documents. Once your sheet is open, locate the cell or range of cells containing the formula you want to protect. Highlight these cells by clicking on them directly. Now that you have them selected, we're ready to proceed with locking them. Next, we'll move on to the protection phase. To do this, look at the top menu and click on Data. In the drop-down menu, find and select Protected Sheets and Ranges. This will open a new sidebar on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see an option to add a sheet or range. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to define the range or select the sheet you wish to lock. Since we've already highlighted the cells you want to protect, those details should automatically populate. However, make sure that the range specified accurately corresponds to the cells containing your formula. Once confirmed, you'll be asked to provide a description for this protection. Assigning a clear, descriptive name, such as Formula Lock, will help you quickly identify what this protected range encompasses in the future. After naming your protection, click on the Set Permissions button. Here you'll specify who can edit the locked formula. If you are the only one who should have editing capabilities, select Restrict Who Can Edit This Range. Then choose Only You from the drop-down, ensuring that only your Google account holds the power to make adjustments. Alternatively, if multiple team members need edit access, you can add them by entering their email addresses. Now, click Done to finalize these settings. Your formula is now locked, and changes to it can only be made by those you have granted permission to. As a quick tip, if you ever need to unlock or adjust the settings, simply return to the Protected Sheets and Ranges under the Data menu. And there you have it, a clear way to lock your formulas in Google Sheets to prevent them from being altered. This simple yet effective method can protect your critical calculations from unintended disruptions, ensuring your work remains accurate and secure. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy spreadsheeting!